Jacob's outside. Is it nice outside? It's gonna be winter soon. Is Jacob a pretty bird? Jacob's pretty. Jacob's nice and pretty in the sun. Yeah, Jacob's pretty. Jacob's a pretty bird. Jacob's a pretty bird. You haven't been out here in a while. Bite your toes. Why do you bite your toes? Hey, why do you bite your toes? Jacob's a pretty bird. Jacob's pretty.